Is it time to buy or sell MP Materials stock? In this video, we will explore MP Materials in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 23rd of September, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You will want to stay informed on any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 18th of September 2025, our system has ranked MP Materials as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 6.16. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a gain of 3.56%. This equates to an average return of 0.89% each day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are likely. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 66.31% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 35.84% to 105.64%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 167.58%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 27.93% to 194.30% over the next year. This would translate to a future price range between $95.57 and $219.84. Our latest daily update for MP Materials includes the headline: MP Materials stock upgraded from buy candidate to strong buy candidate after Tuesday trading session. The MP Materials stock price gained 2.02% on the last trading day, Tuesday, the 23rd of September, 2025, rising from $73.22 to $74.70. The stock fluctuated 5.4%, with a day low at $72.76 and a day high of $76.69. The price has increased in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 18.29% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume has risen on the last day alongside the price, indicating a positive technical sign, with 3 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 13 million shares changed hands for approximately $998,740,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $82.50, while the lowest price was $14.82. Currently, the price is 9.45% or $7.80 below the 52-week high of $82.50, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. MP Materials is currently at the center of a dynamic narrative this month. The company has secured an equity stake from the Pentagon and received backing from the Department of Defense. Additionally, it has established supply and magnet commitments with a major technology customer, including multi-year pricing floors. Furthermore, it is accelerating the development of a U.S. mine-to-magnet operation. These strategic moves have fueled a 146% rally over 3 months and have contributed to an impressive second quarter performance, with revenue from neodymium and praseodymium rising by approximately 283% as volumes and realized prices surged. However, it is important to note that MP Materials has reported its 8th consecutive quarter of operating losses, which are primarily driven by high production and separation costs, alongside significant midstream capital expenditures. In the short term, the recent deals and government support should help maintain elevated share prices thanks to momentum, contract visibility, and strong investor interest in a domestic rare earth champion. Expect some volatility surrounding quarterly results, updates on cash burn, and execution milestones. In the long run, successfully scaling up to integrated mine-to-magnet production and maintaining strong neodymium and praseodymium pricing could significantly enhance profit margins and support a higher valuation. However, the potential upside is contingent upon demonstrating sustained profitability and achieving delivery milestones, as there are risks associated with execution, ongoing cost pressures, and the capital-intensive nature of the business. Let's take a look at the latest analyst ratings. On Monday, the 22nd of September 2025, Daiwa assigned MP an outperform rating with an initialize action. On Friday, the 29th of August 2025, Benchmark rated MP as a buy with a hold action. On Friday, the 8th of August 2025, Cowen & Company also gave MP a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 20th of March 2025, BMO Capital rated MP as a market perform with a hold action. Lastly, on Monday, the 21st of October 2024, Deutsche Bank assigned MP a market perform rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned MP Materials stock a general strong sell rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also given this stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for MP Materials. The MP Materials stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook for the stock. Moreover, a general buy signal arises from the relationship between these averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected from the levels at $70.29 and $69.35. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been generated and may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, August 14, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 2.45%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots indicated a sell signal 28 days ago. Bollinger Bands signaled a buy opportunity 13 days ago. Short-term moving average suggested a buy signal 9 days ago. Long-term moving average gave a buy signal 5 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 2 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average indicated a buy signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average signaled a buy opportunity 78 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 69 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for MP Materials. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $60.26 and $58.55. There is a natural risk involved when a stock tests a support level, as breaking this level may result in a decline to the next support level. In this instance, MP Materials finds support just below today's level at $60.26. If this is breached, the next support level from accumulated volume will be at $58.55 and $58.22. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with a solid trading volume, the risk is regarded as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.93 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 5.4%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 6.62%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for MP Materials, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are currently at negative 14 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MP Materials. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MP Materials is at $74.95. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MP Materials encounters its first support level at $60.26. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MP Materials from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 12th of September, 2025, Litinsky James H. conducted an insider sale of 25,000 shares of common stock. On the 29th of August, 2025, Rosenthal Michael Stewart conducted an insider sale of 83,874 shares of common stock. On the same day, Rosenthal Michael Stewart also conducted an insider sale of 52,063 shares of common stock. Additionally, on the 29th of August, Rosenthal Michael Stewart sold another 14,063 shares of common stock. Earlier, on the 1st of August, 2025, Hoops Elliott Dean conducted an insider sale of 5,419 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 80.936. In total, insiders purchased 872,748 shares and sold 6,341,222 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $71.84, indicating a decrease of 3.82%. This stock exhibits moderate daily fluctuations, reflecting a medium level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 27 days ago. Is MP Materials stock a good buy? MP Materials displays several positive indicators and is part of a strong upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Consequently, we believe it is a solid investment at these current levels, anticipating further gains over the next 3 months. Our analysis has been upgraded from a buy to a strong buy for this stock since the last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 24th of September, we expect MP Materials to open higher by approximately 1.66 cents and begin trading at $74.72. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.